Hi, I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org, and today we are going to start a vegetable garden from seeds. Okay, so first you will need some sort of trays. You can get these at gardening centers or Walmart or anywhere really. And you're going to need some seed starting mix, which is like soil that's really good for starting seeds. It retains more moisture, for example. You will need these popsicle sticks and something to write on the popsicle stick so you know where your seeds are. Now, if you don't have these, you can use yogurt containers or any container that is small. You will also need a grow light that has the light of the spectrum of the sun, or a sunny window. All right, so you will also need seeds. I ordered some seeds, and so this is what we are doing. So I have a couple of cilantro. So what you do is you get 1 or 2 seeds. Some people say to get 3. I don't want to waste any seeds, so I'm going to just do 2. And you put it just right under the surface of the dirt, and you cover it up. You also want to make the soil wet with a spray bottle kind of far away so you don't have the seeds flowing off. It's been 10 days, so some of the seeds have already germinated. Now what I did was I got clear cellophane and I placed it on top of the wet soil so that it wouldn't evaporate off, because the seeds need to remain wet while they're germinating. As you can see, there's a grow light right here that has the light that's needed for like sunlight, okay? This is a hydroponic system, which I might or might not explain in a different video. So far it's been 10 days, and we will see how this does in the coming weeks. It has been 22 days, and as you can see, the cucumbers are doing well. Some of the other things have sprouted, like the lettuce, and the bean plant has gotten super tall, like Jack and the Beanstalk. That's super funny. So we're going to transplant this bean plant into another pot. Now I am transplanting this ginormous green bean. I'm tearing, as you can see, I'm just tearing it apart, and I am getting this little cube thing, and then I think this is biodegradable. You could put it straight into the dirt outside, but I want this to be for the roots to spread out more. So I'm right now, usually you just put it straight outside, okay? But it's too cold outside, so I'm going to put it in a pot where it has room to spread out, because it's way too tall. And the grow light was a certain height, and it's going to pass that pretty soon. So here we are with a transplanted green bean plant. And here are the green beans. I've attached them to little shish kebab sticks. 6 weeks later, and they are blooming. It's been a month, so we are going to transport these to outside and make sure that you have sun for ones that require the sunshine, and ones that don't require the sunshine, you don't need to have sunshine. For example, the lettuce, for example, let me see here. The lettuce requires shade, so this is a good one for this planter here. So you could just plant it the way it is. It can decompose. I like to pull it out just because it gives the roots a chance to grow wider out the side. Here's another. And there we have it. Make sure you space them accordingly to give them plenty of space to grow larger. Remember the beans, the green beans that we transplanted. This is a month later. Look how big they are. They're flowering. So we're going to put them in the sun where they can get plenty of light. So just upend the plant. Make sure you have a trellis nearby that can hold the plant in place. So there we have our green bean row. It would be better to have more green beans. Next year I'll be doing a lot more green beans so that there's a lot more here. And any other vines that grow up, you can plant in these areas. Now you will water it. Give it a nice, good watering. Susan Evans from susanevans.org. Thanks for watching How to Grow Vegetables from Seeds.